Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. You can safely forget about rain this week because there won't be any. But you might want to pull out a spare blanket for these last few nights of July and enjoy the warm sunshine by day. This morning's minimum temps were only slightly below average, too cloudy for frost. Toowoomba Airport had a range of 5 to 15 degrees and Applethorpe only got to a frigid 8. The satellite loop now, like yesterday, the only cloud we see is basically offshore, the exception being the granite belt, and even northern parts of the Darling Downs had a few whiffs of cloud today. But there was enough cloud across the granite belt to actually keep the nighttime temperature just high enough that there weren't really any decent reports of frost. The rest of the state is completely clear, hence the big change from day to nighttime temperatures. Today's chart, the dominant low is still there and it's going to be a feature of the chart for the next few days. It's actually deepening, it's not weakening, right near Sydney. Harrowing winds and swell in this area, and they are slowly coming up into Queensland. It'll be another couple of days before we feel it offshore. And of course, coming around clockwise from the low, we've got those southwesterly winds, dry and cool. Tomorrow's chart will get widespread frost now as the low weakens and the winds come a little bit down. Frost right up to the southern tablelands and extensive across the interior. On the outlook chart, eventually we get the salty trade winds coming back, but it's a while yet. We've still got southerlies and they'll get quite strong, especially in the south. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast, another partly cloudy day after a little bit of frost in the west. 20 at the top for Dalby, Gundawinni the same, Toowoomba 18, Warwick 4 up to 21. For the southeast coast, a sunny day after some frost in the southwest. Gatton 8 to 24 degrees, 25 the top for Ipswich, Brisbane 24. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, both daytime and nighttime temperatures more or less constant over the next 7 days, with tops in the high teens and bottoms just scraping into single digits. For Warwick again, until that cloud clears, the range won't be great, but it starts getting a little bit higher around the weekend, about 3 up to 19. And for Dalby, minimum temperatures will stay in the single digits, getting quite low, 3 degrees on the weekend and up to about 20 by day. Tonight's photo shows a rare sea fog over Brampton Island. In Queensland, we mostly see radiation fog, which clears after the sun comes up. But sea fog often hangs around for days because it's caused by cold ocean currents, not affected by the daily heating cycle. Acknowledgements to Margie Alexander for that superb photo. Thanks, Margie. Have a nice evening, folks. And now it's back to the team.
Great. Thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
Just a reminder, you can watch our news anytime you like over on 7+. Otherwise, the National Bulletin coming up now. Catch you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.